Southeast Minnesota, Northeast Iowa dealing with its first major weather maker so far this winter, and we have a blizzard warning in effect until 2 a.m. Thursday morning. Travel not advised tonight, especially if you're near I-35 or to the west. If you have to travel west of I-35, not advised whatsoever tonight. Winter weather advisories issued as well in purple until 2 a.m. Thursday morning. Future track radar starting to get some more widespread snowfall here. We're able to overcome some of that dry air that we were talking about yesterday and earlier tonight. Finally through Rochester and into Fillmore County for Preston. Heavier snowfall starting to be just to the north and northwest of Rochester through Owatonna, still through Rice County and then into portions of Goodhue and Wabasha County. Notice where we have the darker blues. That's indicating some of the heavier snowfall. Eventually we'll continue to have this wraparound effect behind the low, which will bring maybe some moderate and heavy snowfall here to the Med-City in the next couple of hours. We'll deal with snowfall until about midnight tonight. So we want to check in on road conditions here in Minnesota. All of Minnesota is being impacted, or at least has been impacted by this weather maker so far tonight. Notice anything in red means roads are closed. Mainly the western portion of Minnesota, roads are completely closed through Fairmont and St. James Redwood Falls. Here in southeast Minnesota, still dealing with completely covered or potentially partially covered. What we're seeing across Olmsted County for Rochester. Still travel probably won't be advised later on tonight right along I-35, especially through Owatonna. This is the view from one of the plow cams on I-35 just to the north of Owatonna, pretty much close to whiteout conditions. We can hardly see the road on I-35 out in front of the plow. So again, make sure to be safe on the roadways. This is a serious threat for many of us tonight as we kind of look around Rochester here, Signal Hill and downtown. Looks like visibility is okay, but still slick conditions because we had a little bit of drizzle, then we had the falling temperatures, and now the snowfall. Dealing with some snow out in Lake City and now in Austin dealing with some moderate snowfall as well. So just make sure to be safe on the roadways tonight. Visibility will be an issue outside of the city limits. So far tonight in Rochester, about 1.5 miles for visibility. Right around a half mile through Owatonna, Albert Lea, and Mankato this evening on I-35. Wind gusts, we had wind gusts previously in Redwood Falls at 5 o'clock at 63 miles per hour. Wind gusts right now at 56 miles per hour there, 37 mile per hour wind gusts in Rochester. Through the night tonight into tomorrow morning, we still deal with the blowing and drifting snow. Even once we're done with the snowfall by about midnight, still dealing with the threat, at least a moderate threat, for some blowing and drifting snow. So travel, be careful tomorrow morning as well. If you have travel plans for Christmas Eve early in the morning mixed with some sunshine, you could still deal with some visibility issues on the backside of this as well. As we continue to move through the night, then future track, we have those strong north-northwesterly winds. Snowfall continues until about midnight tonight. Tomorrow, like I said, once we clear skies out enough, we still have snow blowing around. If we have mostly sunny skies in the morning, that then creates visibility issues as well. So now we have to deal with that on top of everything else that we've been dealing with. And then temperatures tomorrow stay in the single digits for highs on your Christmas Eve. Snowfall accumulations. Snow was never the major concern with this system. It's always been the wind speeds. Here in Rochester, we'll deal with anywhere from about 1 to 4 inches of snowfall. Heavier amounts to the north-northwest. We'll see a line through Red Wing, Zumbrota, and then into Owatonna, upwards of about 4 to 6 inches. That's kind of the cutoff, I think, where the heavy snow bands will remain at to the north-northwest. Albert Lea, around 3 to 5 inches of snow. Through Austin, Rochester, Wabasha, about 1 to 4, 2 to 4 inches of snow will be likely. Rest of the night tonight, we're at 2 degrees below zero. Some blowing snow will be possible tonight, so again, be careful on the roadways across southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. 7-day forecast. 8 degrees for the high tomorrow on your Christmas Eve. We'll have those overnight lows tomorrow night below zero, so we'll wake up Christmas morning with temperatures right around zero. 20 for the high then on Friday. This weekend, high temperatures return back into the upper 20s and maybe even lower 30s by Saturday. That'll do it for your Weather Authority forecast. We want to turn it back to Amanda Morgan, who's out live right now on Highway 14. Amanda, what's going on?
Hey Nick, that's right. I'm off of Highway 14 right near Casson. Obviously still dealing with very gusty winds blowing that snow across the roadways. And actually we do have a very dry atmosphere, so the snow has very low water content, which means it's that nice fluffy snow, which means it is so easy for that to just blow right across the roadways. So when you're shoveling tomorrow, it won't be too heavy, but tonight that's creating very bad conditions on the roadways. Please stay off the roads if you don't absolutely have to travel for the rest of the night, as it is windy icy and snowy, and that will continue for the rest of the evening. We'll continue to bring you live updates on road conditions, but for now, back to you in the studio.
Okay, thank you, Amanda. Well, Pat Lund